Hey everyone, this is DPlifts, and today I got a package on the mail for a camera I've ordered on the internet. So, sorry for that. Here is the details, and I guess this is how the package looks like. And let's start. So I have to use these scissors to open the package. Here is what I got. So this is what I got is a digital camera, which is the Sony Cybershot DSC RX100. I've heard this is a very good camera, so I decided to purchase it after searching for which camera to buy. So this is how the box looks like. There's an illustration of the camera, features it has. I got a black model. Some other features including full HD 1080 pixels video, AVC HD progressive, 20.2 megapixels, Here is the back of the camera. It works with PlayStation 3, so I wonder if it works with PlayStation 4. And as well this part. So let's start. Over here we got some notes for some things. Let's take a look on it. We've got here some documents, a guide for using, I believe, some other documents. No, that's the quick start guide, probably, and some other adverts, all that crap, Now, this is the first thing, and over here, that's the camera, but we have more things to check out before I'm gonna show you the camera and we're gonna start it up. So we've got here some other equipment. That's the charger. It's the American cable, since I've ordered an American model. The stripe that you can put on the camera to use. Micro USB cable for charging and transferring files. And I don't know what is this one, but whatever. And I think this is all of what we've got over here, but I don't see any battery. Okay, let's look at the camera. So this is how the camera looks like. You can actually use a focus on it. This is probably the back of it. Let's see if the batteries are actually inside. Yep, That's the Sony supplied battery, lithium-ion NP BX1 Type X. That's the back of the battery. And I guess it's time to turn it on, I guess, right? I think I put it on the wrong side. Okay, so let's turn it on. Looks like it's already working. There's no memory card, but I already have a memory card, and the test video is probably coming soon. So here's what the camera looks like. Look at the zoom. This is very nice. And yep, I guess that's it.